Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials you already have. Power, network, and peripherals are stable. Logs are available. Open the server logs and the client console, because once you see the first error ID, you know whether to debug client UI or server logic. Next, export the running configuration and note the software version and DB connection so you can reproduce the issue. Make sure to flag timestamps and any player steps leading to the failure. That context speeds repair. You should now reproduce the bug in a controlled test. Do it with 1 to 3 players to limit variables. Once done, disable non-essential modules like chat and animations so you isolate the bingo mechanics. Attach a debugger or add trace logs around draw, card generation, and win check logic. This shows you which function diverges. Step through the draw algorithm and card seeding. When you spot inconsistent state, trace back to the last deterministic operation. That tells you why it fails. You implement the minimal fix based on your isolation work. Change code or revert the config and record exactly what you changed and why. Then run unit and integration tests and deploy to a small cohort, 5 to 10%, so you validate behavior under real load. Once stable, roll out fully, but continue monitoring win rate, error rate, and latency so you catch regressions. If things go wrong, revert that staged release immediately and rerun the isolated test to debug.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.